is the camera on? Okay, there you are. Oh, just slow, really slow. Okay, everybody. That was a beaver that just popped up for a second. So, but you got to see a beaver. So, yay! Right. Okay, he does have his little head sticking out. Is he still? Well, anyway, so he's still over there. So this area over here, when I do my lives, you guys, and I say this is the beaver area, and I can't get out and walk if I'm by myself. This is why, because I can't be falling in holes by myself. So, yeah, but I'm not getting you. It doesn't mean I'm not live.
I just want to make sure I didn't get in front of you.
What you're hearing, you can hear a woodpecker. And just because I filmed something doesn't mean I'm actually going to show it or post it. But so this is where the little guy was. Boy, that's bigger than. But I haven't walked out here since last summer. And so I am with somebody this time, so that's why I'm out of the car. And I can wait. Okay, where? Oh gosh, they blend in so well. Those are geese right there.
Oh, they're geese, sorry.
But here, look at this, everybody. That's a woodpecker. I don't see any ducks out here. And this is where little Mr. Beaver lives. Probably his little family. And so there's a bunch of beaver homes over here.